Alright guys, welcome to another awesome video. Now there are a lot of leaks happening for MIUI 13.5 system applications and stuff, and one such update has come up. The MIUI 13.5 control center has come out for a lot of MIUI 13 devices. This will work on Android 11 and Android 12 powered devices, and we're going to see just how to do that. At the same time, when you go ahead and install it, what are the new features? So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So first things first, of course, this is not the new MIUI 13.5 control center. This is the old one. And I will first show you the installation process for Android 11 and Android 12 powered devices. And then we will see what exactly is new in this control center. So first things first, what you need to do is, if you're on Android 11 or Android 12, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to apps. This device in question here, let me show you that first, is the Mi 11X running 13.0.6 official stable. Okay, so now go to apps, go to manage apps. Over here, select show all apps. Now there are three files that you will look for. This is for Android 12 we are talking about first. So we will first look for system UI plugin. Okay, if you have the option over here, do uninstall updates. I don't have it, so that's fine. The next APK that we will look for is the cast APK. So let's look for cast. Same thing, go ahead and do uninstall updates over here. By doing all this, we are preparing the phone to go ahead and install the MIUI 13.5 control center. Now the last APK that we will look for is settings. You will get two options over here. We will look at this one, which has this icon, settings. And if you have the option of uninstall updates over here, you can go ahead and do that, right? Now comes the point where you will install the APKs to get the MIUI 13.5 control center on Android 12 powered Xiaomi, MIUI or Poco or Redmi devices. Okay. Now, once you go to the file manager, I have kept these files in the download section. As you can see, there are 4 APKs over here. Now, this particular APK, System UI plugin version 13.0.1 is for Android 11 and cast. These are the only 2 APKs that you will need if you are on MIUI 13 with Android 11. And to install them, you just have to go ahead and tap them and allow the file manager to install APKs, which will bring you to this warning. So wait for 10 seconds for the Xiaomi super secure system. Hit OK and select update. Okay, we've updated the cast application. Now settings is what we will update. And last but not the least, system UI plug.apk is what we will update. Now don't worry, I will go ahead and mention it in the download link, which APKs are for Android 11 and which APKs are for Android 12. So you don't have to worry at all, right? Now, once you've installed all of these 3 APKs, I'll tell you what are the changes that you will see. First things first, as you can see, you now have the new MIUI 13 control center, and at the bottom over here, you have smart home or MI smart hub or a media player. So these are the changes that you get with that. But because we installed settings APK as well, if you go to the control center setting, over here, you will get a preview of the new control center, and the animation will also show you the new MIUI 13 control center, as you can see over here. Now, this was a quick step-by-step process to install it. Let me show you what is new in this control center. Now, the reason this is special is because it works on all of the devices running MIUI 13, irrespective being Android 11 or Android 12. Now, the first thing that you will notice over here is that the brightness bar and the audio bar are vertical. And if you increase or decrease the brightness, everything else disappears and just this bar remains. But if you do the same with audio, it stays static. No changes over there, right? Now, there are 2 rows over here for your settings in question. And there is the MI Smart Hub and MI Home at the bottom. You can also edit and add more, tiles if you wish. At the same time, if you go further left, you will go to notifications. So that setting has not gone anywhere. And as you can see that the Wi-Fi icon has moved up now. And if you go here, if you press on this, you get the Wi-Fi details, but data usage is still not available. I really hope they include data usage very soon, because in China they are giving you access to this particular feature. Apart from this, there is not much that has changed. You know, if you enable or disable things, there are similar animations that were there earlier. You have the MI Smart Hub option, which not many people are using. You also have Google Home or MI Home, which you can enable or disable. So all in all, it is a little more fluid. It looks modern. They are sort of copying iPhone's iOS, but anyways, this looks modern, this looks better, this one step closer to what we got in MIUI 13 in the Chinese region. This video will be available in Hindi on our PhoneOps Hindi channel as well. For such amazing videos, please subscribe to PhoneOps and PhoneOps Hindi. I'll see you in the next one. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.